Good day, children. Welcome to today's class. Today, we'll be starting with a new topic in English grammar. Before we start the topic, teacher will be asking you some questions. How many letters are there in an English alphabet? Do you all remember? We have already learned this. Yes, there are 26 letters in an English alphabet from A to Z. Which are the 5 magic letters? From the alphabets A to Z, there are some special letters. They are called as magic letters. Do you remember what are they? Yes, A, E, I, O, U. They are called as vowels. And the remaining letters, they are called as consonants. Yes. Now, these vowels and consonants have some family members. Okay, and we are going to meet these important family members of the vowels and consonants in chapter 5 articles. meet meet their family members, and they are the article brothers. Brother A, brother A, brother Ann. Now, brother A and brother Ann are twin brothers, and they have one elder brother. He is brother The. Now, all the three brothers like to point out nouns. All these three brothers, brother A, brother Ann, and brother The, they all like to point out nouns. Brother A and brother Ann, they both are twin brothers, okay, and they both like to point out the singular nouns. Brother A and brother Ann are usually seen with one person, one place, one animal, and one thing. Yes, we usually find them before the nouns of one person, place, animal, or a thing. Now, both these twin brothers, they have a hobby. Now, what is their hobby? Their hobby is to listen to the words with different sounds. They like to listen to the words with different sounds. Brother A, brother A, he likes to listen to the words that begin with consonant sounds. Yes, he likes to listen to the words that begin with the consonant sounds. And brother Ann, he likes to listen to the words that begin with the vowel sounds. So, brother A always stands before the nouns that begin with a consonant sound. Brother A always stands before the nouns that begin with a consonant sounds. I'll give you some examples so that you all will follow this very nicely. Now, Whose picture is it? The picture of a boy, right? Now, boy. Boy is a noun, name of a person, right? And only we are talking about only one person. So, the brother he stands before the noun. So we write a boy, isn't it? We write a boy. So brother always stands before singular nouns and he likes to listen to the consonant sounds. So he will always stand before the words that begin with the consonant sound. So B is a consonant, right? So we always write a before a noun that begins with a consonant sound. Let's see some more examples. A cock. A cock. A hospital. A hospital. Hospital is a place. Yes, a hospital. A pencil. A pencil. A nurse. A nurse. A fox. A fox. A garden. A garden. A garden. See this? A book. A book. A book. A hunter. A hunter. A hunter. A school. A school. A school. A ball. A ball. A ball. A crow. A crow. A crow. Now, brother Ann always stands before the nouns that begin with a vowel sound. As I told you before, brother Ann, he likes to listen to the words that begin with the vowel sounds. So, brother Ann always stands before the nouns that begin with the vowel sound. See here. Brother Ann is standing before the noun that is having the vowel, that is beginning with the vowel sound I. Okay, so brother Ann is standing before the word that begins with a vowel sound. It is the noun that is beginning with the vowel sound. So whenever any word begins with a vowel sound, we write and before that noun. Okay, let's see some more examples. An egg. An egg. An egg. An engine. An engine. An engine. An orange. An orange. An orange. An onion. An onion. An onion. An igloo. An igloo. An igloo. An arm. An arm. An arm. An ink pot. An ink pot. An ink pot. An apple. An apple. an apple, an ostrich, an ostrich, an ostrich, an owl, an owl, an owl, an umbrella, an umbrella, an umbrella. Now, A and An, they have an elder brother. Okay, he is brother the, and brother the, he likes to point out singular nouns as well as plural nouns. See the picture of a dog. How many dogs do you see? One dog. And how many children do you see? 3 children, more than one. Okay, so whenever we are talking about a particular person or particular people, okay, particular thing or an animal or a bird or a thing or a person, when we are specifically talking about them, we always write the. Okay, so the dog, the children, the dog is running, the children are singing. So brother the is used with singular nouns as well as plural nouns. Brother the is used to refer specific or a particular nouns or particular nouns. When we are speaking about some particular person, place, animal, bird or a thing, then we write the before the noun. The sun, the cloud. Talking about particular thing, if you are talking about a particular thing, person, place, animal, you always have to write the. And the things there are which are one of itself, like the sun, moon, they are one of itself, we have always to write the before it. Okay, the moon, the stars, more than one, but we always have to write the stars. The Taj Mahal, Taj Mahal is a monument. Okay, so the Taj Mahal. The Himalayas, we are talking about some particular mountains, so the Himalayas. The Ganga river is in the north of India. Ganga, the Ganga. When we are talking about some newspaper, the Times of India, the Times of India. See these sentences now where we have used the before the nouns in a sentence. The boy is sleeping. We are talking about a particular boy who is sleeping. So the boy is sleeping. The juice is cold. We are talking about the juice which is there in this glass. So we are talking about this particular juice. So we write the juice. The juice is cold. The horses are running fast. We are talking about a group of horses. They are running fast. So we say the horses are running fast. The baby is crawling. We are talking about a particular baby, a specific baby who is crawling. The children are dancing. We are talking about a particular group of children who are dancing. So we say the children are dancing. Now you will all do this activity in your rough book. You will copy down these filling the blanks and filling the blanks with a or an. I'll read the sentences for you. Dash elephant is a huge animal. There is dash book on the table. Dash owl is sitting on the tree. My brother writes with dash pen. Dash orange is a sweet and sour fruit. One more activity. Use the article the in the blanks. So you have to write this activity also. Dash stars shine at night. Dash monkeys are jumping from tree to tree. Dash girl is wearing a pink frock. Dash woman is carrying a basket. Dash Himalayas are great mountains. Okay, children, write both the activities in your rough book in very nice handwriting. See you in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you, Sai Ram.